The creation story in summary and explanation. If you are not interested, you can scroll. But if you are doing, welcome. On the first day, God created light. What was the source of light? And the sun was created on the fourth day. As there is the new heaven and the new earth, the same source that will be giving light was the same source that gave light during the first day. Number two, that was a show of how God predestines things. Number three, it was the identification of the events on which Jesus Christ will be on earth. Holiness and darkness will be separated. Righteous and the wicked ones will be separated. Christians and the world will be separated. If you want more stories and more explanation on this, you'll ask question on the comment section and I'll do video using your comments. On the second day, God created the sky. Water was separated. We see some water went down, and we see what happened to them on the fourth day, and some were left and went up. So the question is, where did that water go? Using geography knowledge, we can say those clouds. That rain formed the first clouds, which fell as rain in the time of Noah. Using chemistry knowledge, that water was splitted, forming hydrogen and oxygen atoms. The hydrogen was distributed in air, and oxygen formed the ozone layer later when the sun was formed. Maybe you need more explanation about that. So if you have any question, ask and I will do video for you. On the third day, God created dry lands. So water was drawn into depressions. Maybe those depressions were formed through founding etc. I don't know. But the dry land was formed on the third day. After that, God created vegetation, xerophytes, alophytes, mesophytes, and androphytes, big and small trees. That was the third day. And on the fourth day, God created sun, moon, and stars. Very scientific. On this day, we see day and night. The sun is the cause of day and night due to rotation of the earth. So that was the event which was predestined in the first day, day and night. Remember, God does not name anything. Everything there is very intentional, for God knows everything. On the fifth day, God created sea creatures. And on the same day, he created flying creatures as well. Then on the sixth day, God created animals. The very same day he created human beings. For his purposes, he decided to make us know how he created human beings. So it is explained in Genesis chapter 2. There's no difference there. It is just explanation. Chapter 1 is the account and chapter 2 is the explanation and how they behaved in addition to chapter 3. And lastly, on the seventh day, God rested. So that is these are the 7 days of a week. God is the creator of a week. So it is very stupid to deny the existence of God. As far as we have weeks, then it is a monument of creation. If God must fulfill the criterion for God for you, then that is not God. It is your idol. The Lord Almighty, creator of everything, is so transcendent, more than how we can imagine, and that's what makes him God. He existed before inner states he knows by himself. He is God, and you must never comprehend. As simple as that. So, God is the one who created the week. 7 days is from the creation story. Very awesome. So, people of the ancients never knew anything called 7 days. They just knew seasons. They never knew anything related to years. Unless you create your own stories, your own theories. It is like circumcision and blessings. They are from the Bible. People want blessings of God of the Bible, but they don't want God of the Bible. Disbelieving Bible, disbelieving Christianity, disbelieving God of the Bible, I think it's the stupidity of the highest eminence. You are correctly. God is the creator of everything. Glory be to his name. And this is mind-blowing. Adam and Eve were black people. Reason? They were created from the soil. As simple as that. This is not racism, but people should know. So if you have any question, make sure you ask so that I can do a video using your comment to answer all my spectators. If you are not following me, you might probably never see me again. But if you are doing, congratulations. God bless you. Shalom. Amen.